Hello and welcome everybody to today's dev chat, or dev stream rather. Great intro. I done screwed it up. We have our character of the day, Jaden, right here. And I need to turn on the audio. Music. There we go. Now we got things going. So, on to today's to-do list. So, a couple of small things. Shift the underglow under the buttons. That'll take me a few seconds. And add an underglow underneath the pop-out UI buttons. And then we need to continue on the main start screen. And then if we get all that done, which I don't see us getting this one thing done, but Maybe we'll get it done to the point where I lose track. We got other things we can do. You know, like the store page, the pack company page, the tournaments page, alliance page, trophy room, all that stuff. Plus, we need to storyboard the trailer / movie for the game. But we'll just see what we can get done here, and then we'll, you know, if we have more time after that, we'll see about what we can find to do. But for now, let's start over here. So the first thing we need to do is the easiest thing, and that's just take these and shift these over a little bit. So it looks like it's coming from underneath rather than this side, sort of like that. Although we might want to push them down a little bit looking at them. Maybe about like that. Yeah, probably about like that. Now what we need to do is create similar buttons underneath our pop-out UI up here. Buttons. What's on this layer? Text. Now we call it Okay. So then, what we want, where we would want to start on this? How do we want to start this, really? Let's come down here, grab one of these buttons here, and then we'll pop up a new layer in right here. Like that. So then, what I'll do is come in here, maybe just delete like that. Like that, yep, there we go. Okay. Now then, first thing we want to do is, well, I don't want to do it that way. I want to take this, move this up like this, on top. Make sure that I am on a different one. Okay, good. So then we'll grab this, and we'll pull this out. So we want to line this up with this button, precisely. And then we'll grab this, pull this across, there we go. Now then, if we copy this and paste, it should be the exact same size, and do it like that. And then we can move it down a layer. Alright, and then we can take these and we move them down like about so. Alright, now we can apply glue effect just to get the effect here. How does that look about the same glow? I wish I could zoom in. I can't. Let's zoom in and then we'll try it again. Effect, glow. Doesn't look as much. definitely don't want to do that. Let's do that where it was at. Yeah, maybe that works. We'll just call it that. Alright, that's 2 things off of our list. 2 out of 3. And that was quick. Let's go ahead and save. Save this at 9. And bam. Done. 2 things off the list. Next thing, not gonna be so quick. As you can see here, it is just in its beginning stages. So let's look back at our inspirations. So we have this. So I think I was planning on putting quests and stuff down here. Then we have a painting window up here. With our arrows. Good question. Then come down here and that. Let's see. I couldn't bring that across here. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I see some belts we need to do. We need to move these buttons on the gloves here. Although, we technically need to get rid of all this. I know that I do not need any of these. I really don't leave this blank. I don't think we need a second window over here on this side. So let's kill this window over here. Honestly, I really don't need that either. this I could use some way over here. Don't think I'm going to need either of these in any way. I really don't need this here. So what we probably want to do is bring both of these over. Is this set right? Looks like it. So we bring this over. I gotta fix these corners. I need to see what how far I'm off the little thing over here. Let's see what we can do. That is 3. And where's it at now? Way more than 30. Just set all of this. Move this all the way over, and then 1, 2, 3. There. I need to do the same over here. That. Okay. Let's then grab right in here. And then move this over. Yep, you nailed it. Alright, grab this. Zoom out so I can see what you're doing. Bring this across like so. Here. This way. Not across. So. Alright. Now then, what to do? I kind of think that I need to close up this space over here. How much space is this? And what is this? then we can come over here and bring this down. That did not work. I'm not in the right layer. Bring this down. There we go. Much better. Let's then come over here to this. Grab this here. Copy. And paste. And then we'll go take that up here. I don't want to move it side by side. I believe that is correct. Verify. Looks like it. Alright, next thing we gotta do is we gotta fix these corners here. Let me see here. How did I do the corner down here? Because we want to match it. 5 by 5. So let's come over here. That's 5. It's on the wrong layer. There we go. Should be 5 by 5. It is. So then we'll bring that up. And those are now matching. And we'll do the same thing over here. Double team it this time. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and save this. I'm not going to save it as a different number because we're not even to the first iteration yet. Okay. Now then, what I want to do now is grab this, copy, paste, down here, paste again, throw that down here, and then we'll paste again, throw that up here. Alright. Oh, screen stuff. Is there an issue? Let's see. I think YouTube is not liking me at the moment. Alright, let's bring this out. So, we'll stem this out like that. Okay. Is this on the overlay layer? Let's move this down here for now. Out of the way. Let's then take all this and move this over. So, grab this, copy, paste. Actually, I don't want to do that. Actually, what I want to do is just grab this bottom part here and we'll drag it down. And I'm doing it by the arrow key so everything stays lined up. And by everything I mean 2 pieces stay lined up. Drop frames on my side. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Might not be too long of a stream if YouTube keeps that up. Probably not going to be. Okay, this needs to be wider for sure. Out. Maybe there. Looks like YouTube might have its act together again. Okay. And the question is how much spacing do we want from this and this? And I'm probably going to say 7. How much do we have? We have 12 down here. Let me see how much this one has over here. It's 7. Let me go to a place where it's better. Right here. Oh, that's 8. Over here, here. 8 as well, so 8's what we want. And this is 12. So it needs to come back down by 4 pixels. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And we want to take all this and go up. Get that same spacing up here. Spacing wise, so then we can grab this down. Alright. Now what we need to do is get this colored properly. Now that it's the correct dimensions, at least height wise. For that, we need to know what the actual height is of this. That is 768. 768 divided by 3 would be 256. That's a nice good number there. 256 would be... Actually, it'd probably be easier if I do it from this side. Out. 256 would be right there. So, what we want to do is now grab this color. No. sanity space, we need to verify the fixes. Right on that. Yep. Typical fix. Indeed. Alright. That's good. Now, let's now line this up. Move it. This level is this? Yes. Now, is this 8 spaces in here? 7. I was so close. Am I guessing it there? I'm not close enough. At the bottom. In. This one here. Too far out. One by one. The question is, do we want that much space in between? I mean, it's not even space, obviously. Definitely want it even if we do that. And I don't think so. I think we want we follow the Nexus gathering example and an example of everything else in my art, UI art. The spacing is even. So this is definitely a lot more than 8. Is 21 and this is 30. So if we take 21 plus 30, now we're going to need an 8 space in between there and another 8 space, right? And then we're going to need to divide this by 3, and it's not going to go in evenly. Yeah. Hey, Mike, what's up? How's YouTube working? Because I was getting non-stop buffering about 5 minutes ago. I haven't seen it buffer since then. I wish OBS would save those settings. Or I would remember to reset it every time I do a stream. Sorry about that. So we need them all to be 11 tall, or 11 taller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, okay. That's 11. 11 divided by 3, it's not going to go evenly again. Ugh. So if we give 4, 4, and 3, then that should work. So if we give 3 here, 1, 2, 3, let's verify that I got that right. I think that might be 4. Yep, that is 4. That's too much. I'm going to bring that down. That's now 3 on that one, and then we come down by 3, I think. Okay, this should be right. And then we can grab this, copy, and we'll paste it in here. Like that, and then we post it, paste it, post it. We'll paste it in again. Let's go ahead and delete this one. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is not 8 over there. Boop. That is not right. Alright, no worries, Mike. Unsure how much longer we're going to go. This might be a short stream. We'll see. At least another 15 minutes. But that could be where it ends. I need another 7 spaces. Let me verify that this is all right. $253. So 253 divided by 3 got equal 84 on 2 of them and 83 on the other. So this should be 84. That's 83. That's 86. Hey, this is not right. And that's 84. What the heck? Okay. Let's downsize that one. And then we'll downsize this. so are they all now 83? 83, 83, and 83. Okay. Be sure that that's going to be too big of a gap. Let me see here. This is 249. So 249 times 3 plus 8 and 8 again. That's 763. 763, and this is, so it needs to be 5 bigger. Which means that if I make all 3 of them 1 bigger, and I just put 1 more extra space in there, that's what I'm going to have to do. So we pulled that by down by 1. Then we'll bring this up like that. So then in theory this should be 9 spaces down here instead of the ideal 8 that I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we paste this in here. And this comes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this bottom should line up. And it does. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere now. This is on this layer, isn't it? Yep. So let's cut that out. Paste it over here. And give that all this arrows. Okay. Let's look at our inspiration here. And our other inspiration. Don't know what I'm doing. I really think this should be bigger. And these should be wider. So let's grab these and make them a wider, like maybe there. And we'll come and we'll stretch them out. And I want to make this one wider too. Probably a good bit wider, like maybe there. And we'll take this and stretch this out. Push this closer to center. like that. Then push our arrow closer to the right location. Like that. Let's go ahead and give it another save. You know, down here would probably be a good place for the play button. So let's do that. Let's make our play button down there. So what we want to start off by doing is deleting our old button here. And then we grab our, get rid of this old underglow. We'll keep the other one for now. Let's go ahead and wipe out this logo. Oh, it's not logo. Icon, that's the word. Because we don't need that on this UI. I just brought that over from the other UI to make things quicker. So we want this to be we want the play button to be nice and big. Actually, now that I think about it, we should probably just delete this. We don't need it. Because we can just, well, I need to know where its starting position is, so we can grab the search bar here. And this would be probably a good size for the play button. I need to grab it from a good spot though. Let's grab it like so. There we go. And then we'll move that into place. Right there. Alright. Let's now grab this underglow button. Move it over here. Now what we'll do is let's paste this in here, and then we'll get rid of that, that, and that, and then we'll select this color here. We'll fill that in, grab that color, fill that in, and where's the other one? There. Yep, yep. Come on. We'll grab this color now, and we'll fill that in, and then we'll get rid of our old glowy button. Alright. Now what we'll do is grab our new unglowy glowy button, underlay, line that up, here, and then we'll come down to where there's two spaces right there, and then we'll go into effects and glow. Bam. So now we have us a glowy under button. You know, I just realized we don't have a lot of this stuff over here, which I need this stuff. And is that on the game sim layer? Part of it is. Let's grab this stuff up of the game simulator. Sim layer. Words. Stuffs. We'll call this game sim layer. And then we'll just paste this stuff in. Actually, that's all I needed from over there. Now then, what do we do for that button? Go ahead and save it. Let me think here. First we need font. We need it to be in white. What font did I use over here? I believe it was something up here, something gothic. Not that this will be the font we actually use in the game, it's just the font I'm already using for the mock-up. And people will complain if I don't keep on using it. I don't know what we're going to use, at least for this particular font, in the final. I could have sworn it was up here. Apparently not. I think this might be it. Let's try it. Let's see if this is it. I think it is. Definitely smaller than 36. Is it like 30? No, it's bigger than that. If this is it anyway. 32. That is not the same. Pretty dang close, but it's not the same. Is that it? No. That's definitely not it. Is this it? That might be it. Let me change the color to green. Yep, that's it. Okay. So we come over here and just call this search 2.0, right? And we're done. There we go. Good job, guys. We're there. 2 searches. Nothing. Not what we're going for. What could we say that is clear that it's a play button, you know, without saying play, you know, something to fit the theme of this being basically Windows at the same time as being in a cyberpunk universe? Could Could do something like that. But that is rather long. And it would not fit anywhere. Could do net dive into Continuum. That, yeah. Could go dive into the Continuum. Let me look up there. Cyberpunk terms. I should look up cyberpunk terminology. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, I'll let you guys see what I'm doing over here. Where is stuff? There we go. Let's see here. Input is a girlfriend? What the heck? Net run. Hmm. I don't want to do it about. Here we go. C++. Yeah, I can just tell everybody the game was programmed in C++ instead of C++. Right? We invented our own programming language. It's from the future. Cyberdeck is a term referred to a computer connected to the matrix. Deck cowboy. Is that what we call our players? Deck cowboys? And it's gotta be clear that it's a play button. That's the problem. There's lots of cool things I could put here. Apparently Steve Jackson has a term in Cyberpunk Tech. Yeah, that's a D-mod right there. And that's another one. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. What could we say? Could do something like that. Launch continuum. Could go continuum dive. That's the best I got at this moment, and it fits almost perfectly with this box that I've already made. Which I should have come up with this before I made the box. We'll just go with this for now. And if we need to change it, we need to change it. Because it is, after all, just a proxy. Until it isn't. Okay. Good. This needs to be moved down. Like so. Okay, that looks right. There's definitely too much space over here now. Let's see here, around is 16 and it needs to be what, 5? Yeah. Let's grab this and move this in by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. Now we'll come over to here this way. It's not the best way to do it, but we're going to do it this way anyway. So, we'll call that that. Let's go ahead and save it. Now what do we do? What we'll do is put some proxies in here. That. And then we'll just grab that and copy it. Copy, paste. 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 like about like that, I think. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy this. Copy, new layer, paste, flip horse. Nope, 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 no, 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 no. Flip the layer horizontally. Thank you. This can be merged down now. And this can come over this way and do it the slow way so everything stays lined up. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up slowly and go faster. About like that. Question is are we alright with all this blank space over here? Probably. Let's go ahead and save it. Let's see here. What else do we want to do to this? I mean, it's certainly looking a lot better than what it was when we started. But it still needs something. One thing it needs that I just thought of is this. Let's grab this, copy, and then we'll come over here. We'll paste that in the correct corners. And I did not copy it right, did I? Oh no, that's the screwed up one. I fixed it over here. That's right. I thought that's like that. Okay. Get it closer, like that. Copy. Paste. And then we'll do that right about there. And then we'll take this and bring that across. Let's then do that to this corner. And then this corner. If anybody's wondering why I'm copy and pasting so much, it's number one to save a lot of work, and number two to remain consistent. But it's not like I'm copy and pasting from somebody else's work. My own work. I don't think I want to use that corner. Or do I? Maybe I do. Because then it's going to have more of that asymmetrical look, I think. And I need to grab it a little bit closer in. No. There we go. Copy. Paste. Alright. Alright. Let's get these in here. that. And we need to get one over here. That. There we go. Yeah, that's looking much better. Much better already. Yeah, what do I want to do now is the question. I know what I want to do. I want to shrink this in so that there's only a little bit of black box like right here and right over here. But I don't know if this is going to be the final size. That is the issue there. I know I want to do that, but I wonder what Magic did here for sizes. I want to copy this and see what they did aspect ratio wise. Is this like a 1080p? Resolution. Let's see here. Resize. Height would be 1080. No, it is not 1080. It's not a 9x6. Wonder if it would be if you did this here, crop to selection, and then we do resize height to 10 or yeah, 1080. No, it's still not, but it's close. It's close to 1080 resolution. If you skip that, now that I have that information, what does that make me want to do? It's a good dang question. Let's see here. If I were to come over here and open up this, and then we were to shrink it down to, I don't know, maybe like 720 height-wise. Resize to 720, 720p essentially. And then we copy this. And then we go put a layer down here, a new layer, and we paste that in. Yeah, that's way too big. I don't know what I want to do, honestly. And when I don't know what to do, and we're past an hour, that's time to end this stream. And we are at an hour and a half, almost an hour 40. So I think I'm going to go ahead and call it here. For anybody who's new to the channel, oh, excuse me, ignore that. And by secondly, subscribe to the channel, lick the smash button, all that kinds of things. And join our Discord. Links down in the description. And Twitter's also down in the description. Follow us everywhere and whatnot. And find out more about Neon Continuum. Also, our dev chats are on our Discord once a month. And that's where you guys get to talk to me. And I tell you all these inside information kind of thing. And it becomes outside to the community. And you guys get to help shape the games from in there. And also when we have a playtestable version, that's who gets to playtest. Anybody who comes to the dev chat. And those are on the first Saturday of every month at 2 p.m. Central Time. Anyway, that's all for this time. I will see you next week for the next dev chat on Saturday. And of course, I will be seeing you on Sunday and Thursday for the Safeway Stream podcast and the Indie Inquiry, as usual. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Until then, I'm out.